this collection is definitely how I get inspired looking at the spirit and courage of the new age women nowadays. And the best part is that they have that spirit, the boldness in their fashion sense. Fashionista and Jovianista, definitely. And that's how you can also see all the bold silhouette, nice construction, beautiful colors, strong colors to emphasize the courage and the strength of the new era women. The best part about Jovian Ready to Wear Jovian Femme is that you get to actually mix and match almost everything in this collection. You can turn a short dress to become a baju kurung. You can turn a cocktail dress to be a formal attire with a tweed jacket.
It's actually inspired a bit of Dior, a bit of Givenchy, a mix of haute couture, a mix of spring-summer collection, and a bit of autumn. You can see this time around we played around with the socket eyes, with a bit brownish top lips that gives the impact of the eyes and the lips. So it complements both what this collection are ready to wear.
J-Femme 2013 is a collection created to introduce to Jovianistas a different side of Jovian's creativity. With J Raya and Aida Adha, we share with you our couture-inspired kurungs, and now with J-Femme, we are embarking on a more casual, fun and flirty side of Jovian Mandagi. As you can see, the collection consists of dresses, some statement pieces, jackets, and casually they can be worn to work, and then later in the evening transforms into beautiful garments for you to attend a cocktail or just an evening out with friends.
And I'm very happy with the team that I'm working with. We have photographers like Anas, we have our makeup artists, as well as our in-house PR, Said Faisal. The creative director is our brand manager, Amy Halim, and we have our production manager as well, Q Arifin, to monitor the whole photo shoot as well. So I think I'm very blessed as well that I always get to work with the right team, all very hardworking people, to make sure that the end result come out really nice.